Can anyone learn the guitar? If you're questioning whether you can learn the guitar, I have good news for you. The good news is that if you can comprehend the content of this video, you have enough mental abilities to learn the instrument. Some people do have natural talent, that is, the ability to learn, either everything in life, or a specific thing, such as music, faster than others. But the absolute majority of adult guitar players, including many professionals, weren't born with any special gifts. Anyone who has developed the ability to read and understand the English language, or any other language, also has the ability to learn the language of music. Now, this does not mean that anyone who picks up the guitar will actually become good, or great on the instrument. In fact, the majority won't ever reach any significant level. And in nearly every circumstance, the reason for this is the same: they quit before they reach that level. Thus, in this video, rather than give you more reasons to convince you that you can learn the guitar, I will show you what you need to do so that you will not stop before you start reaping the rewards. Why do so many people fail to learn the guitar due to quitting too soon? 1. Unrealistic expectations. Learning the guitar is a marathon, not a sprint. You've probably seen online courses promising to teach you the guitar in 30 days. While I wouldn't label these courses as scams, since they can provide you with some practical guitar knowledge to perform simple tasks within a month, they do create a misleading notion that learning the guitar can be achieved through a short course. In reality, in 30 days, you would have barely started to scratch the surface. For those who are truly passionate about the guitar and manage to reach advanced levels of playing, learning the instrument becomes a lifelong journey. If you've been practicing for a few months or even years and find yourself still far from reaching the desired level, don't let that mislead you into thinking that you lack the ability to learn the guitar. It only means you need to give it more time and improve the quality and/or increase the quantity of your guitar practicing. 2. Failing to measure progress. Though learning the guitar is a long-term game, you actually improve every minute you allocate to deliberate, focused practicing. Yet many guitar students quit during periods of time when they don't feel like they're improving on the guitar. These periods of time are called plateaus. When this occurs, it is important to remember that you are indeed making progress if the quality of your practice is high, and that a breakthrough often follows a plateau. A breakthrough is a phase during which things begin to make sense, dots start getting connected, and you experience rapid improvement. By measuring your progress, you not only boost your motivation to practice but also become aware of these plateau breakthrough patterns, allowing you to have control over them rather than letting them control you. The best ways to measure your progress are to record yourself playing as well as using a metronome. 3. Bad teachers. A competent guitar teacher will tap into your potential, assist you in attaining your musical goals within a shorter time frame, and demonstrate how to derive pleasure from the learning process. A poor guitar teacher, even if skilled as a guitar player, can crush your motivation and lead you to quit. If you are contemplating giving up on the guitar and suspect that your teacher may be the issue, I recommend trying out several guitar teachers in your local area. This should give you a clear idea if the reason you're not getting the results you desire is the way you're being taught. 4. Learning the guitar is not your passion after all. While this situation seldom arises, there are instances when I encounter students who lacked initial motivation. For example, they might have been going through a challenging period, and a friend suggested, "Why don't you learn the guitar?" They gave it a shot but discovered that it wasn't their true passion. Individuals like these are unlikely to achieve a substantial level of guitar proficiency because they will struggle to find sufficient motivation to maintain consistent practice over an extended period. Conclusion. The most important message I want to convey in this video is that whether you can learn the guitar entirely depends on you. The guitar learning process is not difficult, but it's lengthy. If you are ready for that commitment and willing to put in the necessary effort, there is absolutely no reason why you shouldn't be able to achieve the desired level of guitar playing you aspire to. Click on the first link in the comments for the full article and subscribe to this channel for more videos on guitar playing, music theory, and songwriting.